visiting islands unknown to most of the world. Our trip begins here on Ascension, an island that erupted from the sea. Described as hell with the fires put out, it's a young island, at least in geological terms. It only broke the surface of the waves about 1 million years ago. Halfway between Africa and South America, it sits just a few degrees south of the equator. Searing heat scorches the desolate landscape. With nothing but open ocean for thousands of miles, massive, powerful waves smash into Ascension's lava shores, carving spectacular shapes and dramatic blowholes. At just 34 square miles, Ascension is a dot in the ocean, lost in the vastness of the Atlantic. In 1815, the British garrisoned the island. For them, this unpromising speck of land had one thing in its favor: its strategic location, right in the middle of the Atlantic. It's still an important base today. On Ascension, even the beaches look like they've witnessed a military attack. And in a way they have. Just offshore, the invaders wait for night to fall before they launch their assault. Green turtles. Weighing at least 350 pounds, these heavily armored giants take the shore like a tanked battalion. These females have been feeding on beds of turtle grass off the coast of Brazil and have just crossed more than 1,200 miles of ocean to find this speck of land. First, all 4 flippers are used to dig a crater. Her eggs need just the right moisture content in the sand, so she uses her sensitive hind flippers to test it before she carries on digging. Eventually, she's satisfied and fills the hole with her clutch of eggs. Ascension's beaches were once one of the biggest green turtle nesting colonies in the Atlantic. But they were the perfect food to feed hungry sailors on passing ships. And over the centuries, their numbers fell.